We do real estate. We rent and sell properties. Here's the list of properties we offer. Land, residential plots, commercial plots, mixed-use plots, agricultural, farmlands, and social plots like land for educational facilities, land for religious facilities, land for recreational facilities, mining and quarrying sites. Buildings. 1. Residential, villas, townhouses, apartments. 2. Commercial, retail spaces, office spaces, hotel, petrol stations. 3. Industrial, warehouses, factories. Social, school, other facilities. Are you interested to buy? Rent? Sell? Contact us to get served. Relocation experts Rwanda. Travel, live, and invest in Rwanda.